Hi everyone, this is Sumant. So this is a different kind of video. So in this video I just want to share my experience working in a startup for 3 months. So the reason why I'm just creating this video is just to make you understand how a normal guy who don't have any kind of practical exposure or industry level exposure going through an internship and learning new things, right? It's about that. So before this internship I've just done only one internship. It's around 1 month. So it's a good internship. I've just learned a lot, but I haven't worked on industry level projects on that. So this is I just worked on some basic level projects. But in this internship, right, in this 3 month period, it's been a quite interesting phase, and I just learned a lot. So yeah, first the role which I just chosen is machine learning engineer. So yeah, from the name itself, you can just understand we will be working on some ML algorithms, right? So yeah, that's what even I just done. The company which I just applied is Neolan. So this is a startup where they're just working on these kind of, they're just building some amazing products for the clients, so some amazing solutions for the clients using this cutting edge technologies like AI. So I just applied that, and I just gone through the test. I've just gone through the interview process as well. Finally, I just got selected, and I just said to them that I'm just joining from the next day itself. So first, they just explained what are my responsibilities, what are the things I just want to learn to work on this project. So all the things they just explained on the first day, first on the first call. We just discussed all those things, and I've just gone through that. The first project which I just worked on is use cases like implementing ML in the backend for a sports application. So we just worked on backend, creating backend using ML for an application, right? It's an app which is present in Play Store. So we just try to work on that for the first 1.5 months, right? First 1.5 to 2 months. So they have given everything, right? They just given the code. Previous my interns who just worked on this project have already done some implementations on that. So on the top of that, they just asked me to improve the accuracy of the model. For the first 10 days, I just gone through the project, and I just tried to understand the complete project, right? What's this? What the complete project is of, and how to make changes and all the things, all the stuff I just learned. And after 10 days I just started working on that. I just tried some different kind of ML algorithms, and I just tried some hyperparameter tuning as well. So all those things I just applied on top of that, and I just made some improvements to their code, right? They just done my previous guys have done some have done some work, and I just made changes to them, and also I just implemented some few algorithms as well, some new algorithms. And yeah, through that I've just done the work. That's the first 2 months. And like, if I just want to talk about my project head and how we used to have discussions, right? So daily, around every day, we used to have a call. And we used to discuss what's the update on that day, and what are the new things we just want to implement, and what are the new requirements that the client have said. So all the things we used to discuss, and on the top of that we used to work on that. Honest to say, he is very interactive and very motivating person. Since it is a startup, my team head is one of the leading guy in the startup, right? Since that's the advantage of startup, right? We can able to have conversations with startup founders, right? So if there is any new thing, right, if I don't know that, he'll just give some time to learn that, and after that he just asked me to implement that. And trust me, since I'm just a new to this field, right, I've just learned a lot of courses. I've done a lot of courses, and I just learned a lot of things, but doing it practically is completely different. So at the starting 1 month, I just faced a lot of issues. I can't able to contribute to the project, right? I just face a lot of issues, even to make changes in the code. Like, I just have an idea like what to do and how to do, but it's a kind of fear, right? It's a real world application, and we are just giving to a client, so they will be having some kind of commitments, and also the money is also included. So but my team head, which I just said you previously, has given me all the access to the project, right? Like, he said that whatever the changes you just want to do, just don't hesitate to do, just do it. And we just want only final application. So that's the words which he said. So after that only I just tried to contribute more. I just feel somewhat free and I just started contributing more. And after that's the first project which I just worked, like the sports application. And the second thing which I like at last 1 month I just worked on another application, that's the video processing. So I just tried to implement this CNN, right, convolution neural networks. I've just tried different models like MobileNet v3, ResNet, all these kind of models I just used, and I just worked on video processing uh, tools. So it's not that I just build these applications from scratch. I've just seen the application, like what are the requirements for our project, and I've just gone through the GitHub and I've just seen the similar kind of code or similar kind of applications which they have already done, and I just taken the code from there and I just made improvements on top of that, right? Based on our project requirements, I just made improvements on top of that. So that's one thing. So those are the two projects which I just worked, and it's a quite interesting, right, joyful 3 months which I just spent. Honest to say, I just said you right, the amount of things which I just learned in these 3 months is more than what I just learned up to now. So the experience is completely different. So I hope you get some idea, right? You get some idea like how the fresher face issues while working for first time in a real world project. So that's the reason for creating this video. I hope you learned something from this video. So that's my experience working in a startup for 3 months as an ML engineer. So I have already created a video on so how you can just get an internships as a college student here, and also I just created what are the top 5 websites where you can just apply for the internships. So you can just check out it here. So yeah, so if you're just watching this till the end, make sure to like the video, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications also, so you'll get updated with my new videos. So yeah, with that, I'll just see you all in the next video. Until then, keep learning, stay safe, and thanks for watching.